Hello, this is my first little tutorial. It's going to be over the Apache, well, Linux command line, but I'm running Apache on the server. So right now I'm in the www, and again this is going to go over a few different commands. So let's start with a very easy one, which is the one I just did. It's ls -l. All this does is give you a list of directories or folders, and like wherever you're at. And we can actually see where we're at if we do pwd. So we can see that we are in var www. So this is where people normally put their like websites. I put it in serve, which is srv, and I might talk about that in a later tutorial, but not this one, so stay tuned. So we're going to clear this, and another command I'm going to show you is cd. So first let's do ls -l to see what directories are available, and we'll do cd, and we're going to do html. So if you want to go to a directory quickly, you can start typing it and then tab, and it finishes it for you. Now if we go to pwd, we can see that we're actually in var www like we were before, but now we went into the HTML directory. Cool, right? I mean, it's pretty cool. You can do, I mean, obviously it's like very simple, and but this is how you essentially move throughout all of your server. So now we'll do ls -l, and I actually have a site in here, but it's not active because it's somewhere else. This is when I was a noob and just trying to figure all this out. Sorry, I'm like getting so many messages. Okay, so now what else? Let's do clear. Clear just does exactly what it says. It clears the screen of everything. So let's see, we did ls -l, and we did cd. So let's do just ls actually. So just ls gives you all the directories or folders, whatever you want to call them, but just, you know, not a list. So the -l just gives you a list of, it just makes it into a list, so it looks a little cleaner. And let's just, for funsies, let's just cd into, we'll just cd into, I think we can cd into config. So now if we go back to pwd, which pwd just gives you the current directory, I believe. So now you can see, you know, var www, and we went into HTML and then config. So ls -l, and these are a bunch of actual files. So see, the thing is, I'll show you here, if you try to cd into a file, it won't work. See, there's not a directory. So that's one good way to test, I guess, if something's a directory or a file. But you can kind of just tell by looking at it, because a lot of times the directories will be like a blue color. Files are like files, text files, any kind of file. Normally it's a grayish color. And yeah. And if you're curious, I'm using something called Secure CRT, but PuTTY works the exact same way as long as you're running it on Linux operating system. Like I said, I have Apache installed, because that's for web hosting, or like web files and whatnot. So, yep, I'm gonna end this video here. Please message me or comment below if you have questions. Goodbye.